Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in to this new video. I'm back with another video that is based around the topic of shipping. I'm so excited for this video to be sponsored by Scotch, who have introduced me to this great product, Flex and Seal shipping roll, that is going to really save you guys on time when you're shipping, space, and just make everything more efficient. So as you can see behind me, this is the shipping roll, and this is actually a package that I made earlier that I'm going to show you guys exactly how to put it together. It actually sticks to the shipping roll itself and not to your product, which is great. So it looks like it's actually stuck to the product, but it completely isn't. It's not going to affect your product at all. It just conforms to the shape of the product, which is great because my products, as you know, some of them are quite bulky and it's hard to put into a box, and I can't just buy custom boxes for every single size because some customers don't just buy one product, they buy maybe 2 or 3, so it's really hard for me to gauge. Whereas with the shipping roll, it just conforms to the shape of whatever is in that package and you're good to go. So if you're like me watching this, guys, and you're just thinking about starting your business, or you've been running your business for a while, you will know that buying supplies can get really expensive, especially if you're moving between certain bubble mailers and then certain cardboard boxes in different sizes. They can run out quickly and it can just get on top of you and really expensive. Whereas with the shipping roll, it can conform to every single package that you use. It really cuts down packaging time as well, because you simply roll it out, cut to the size that you need, and close it shut, and you're good to go. The only thing you need to do next is print off your shipping label and stick it on top. So this really is that one-step solution to shipping that you're looking for, especially saving space, guys. As you know, in my past vlogs, you will see that I have stuff everywhere. I even store some things under my bed when it comes to the flat packed boxes and stuff, and it just really gets in the way when I have stock there as well. Whereas this roll is just one roll and it's there. You can put it in the corner. It's really easy, out the way, and you just bring it out when you need to actually ship things. Another good tip and great thing I love about this product is it can reduce the weight of your packages, which in turn saves you money. And you know that I love to save money, especially when you're a business owner and you're a small business and money is tight. This is a great solution because the weight's going to be lower because you haven't got the bulky box and all of the fillings that you usually add to a box just to keep your product secure. You don't need any of that, so it's going to save you that extra weight, which in turn could actually make the product to send much cheaper. So this is my new solution to shipping. I'm so happy that Scotch reached out to me for this solution. Definitely going to move forward with this just because it saves so much time, money and space, and it's really affordable. I'll leave the link to the product down below so you can check it out for yourself. So I hope you really enjoyed this video and finding out a new solution to shipping, because I know that whole process is very tiring and so many different things to do. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye guys.